AUDUSD. All right. So now before we start the analysis, if you are new to the channel, make sure you subscribe to the channel, hit the like button. If you want these analysis videos, and you can watch the analysis first, and if you like what you see, then subscribe and like. And below the video, you have some links which you can go and check in your free time. However, make sure you join free Telegram channel. So below the video, you will find the Telegram channel link. Make sure you're connected with me on Telegram if you want some free signals every now and then. Okay. Subscribe, like, Telegram, join, check out these links in your free time. And let's start the top-down approach here. So starting with the weekly in AUDUSD. Now we can see that rejection from the EMA, and it's a red candle in weekly. This is day 3 now on Wednesday. I mean, wherever you are, it might be Tuesday for you. It is early morning Wednesday now when I'm recording the video, okay? So we have a rejection from the EMA in weekly, then go back to daily. But I think this is a pullback only, okay? Because the previous highs in weekly are broken already. So this is a pullback to go up only. So in daily, we are already up, and you can see this high has broken the previous high. That is why we have a pullback situation, okay? Because this previous high was broken by these two candles, right? Especially with this one. So we had been going up, non-stop. Now it is the suitable time to take a pullback. So this red candle today is only a pullback. So let's go for a 4-hour chart to look for the entry signal, okay? Now in 4-hour chart, possibly we might get the rejection from the EMA, or it might break the EMA itself, okay? So far we are still in the downtrend, in the uptrend, okay? 4-hour is still above the EMA when I'm recording the video. Daily is absolutely above the EMA, so we are in the uptrend, but we are taking a pullback. Now there will be a situation in 4-hour. Either this red candle will break the EMA and close below the EMA. So the further coming candles, red candles, will close below the EMA after breaking it, or it will just reject the EMA and close above the EMA to continue the uptrend, okay? Now, you have to make sure that previous lows are also broken, okay? So if you take a look into 4-hour chart, the previous low is here, right here, at 63593, okay? And at present the price is 6383. So in 4-hour, for example, if you have to go for sell, if you want to take sell position in this AUDUSD, this previous low needs to break and then a pullback and then entry. So if a red candle breaks this candle, let me use my tool line. Where do I have my line? Here is the line, okay? So if I place my line right here, if there will be any new red candle which will close below this blue line or will break this low, then we will wait for the pullback and then red candle and then enter, okay? But 4-hour, now might not be suitable for everyone. So let's see small time duration of 2-hour. In 2-hour, we are below the EMA already, okay? And in 2-hour, we, I think, are supposed to break this previous EMA. So again, use the line here. Here's the line tool. Place before the last low. So that's it. Right. Now, upcoming red candles in 2 hours needs to break my blue line here, which is this resistance line of the previous low where we had the, where we had this double bottom, I guess, whatever, okay? But right now, we're looking for sell opportunities. So just in case, if you're looking for sell, you have to make sure that, first of all, the candle breaks the previous low in 2 hours. After the low is broken, then wait for the pullback. After the pullback, again red candle, and then enter 1:2 ratio, okay? However, as per the definition, you are not supposed to enter, go against the trend, okay? Trend is still buy, uptrend in AUDUSD. However, I believe that this will cross the EMA, okay? Sometimes you have to let some trades go in front of your eyes. That's what I prefer to do, because we know AUDUSD is in the uptrend, and we might see that there's a sell opportunity. I might let it go personally, okay? But if you are looking to sell AUDUSD, wait for it to break the previous low in, especially in 2 hour, okay? Let the new candle break the previous low, then pull back, then again red confirmation candle. So you have to keep an eye what happens in next 8 hours or so. Okay, so this is what I have for you people right now for AUDUSD. I think I am, personally, I will only take buy trades in AUDUSD. So if, if the downtrend is over for me in 2 hour or 4 hour, and then I have a blue confirmation candle, and if I know it's gonna go up after some other indicators such as double bottom at the bottom or whatever. Okay. So for now, if I'm gonna take sell, just do what I have told you. Previous low needs to be broken, then pull back, then re-entry, sell. Okay. For me, I'll wait only for the buying opportunities. The rest is up to you. So if you like what you see, subscribe and like, and join my Telegram, and I'll see you in my next video.